Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable voice access gaze detection in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on interaction and dexterity, and here in interaction and dexterity click on voice access. Now here click on settings and then scroll down and here click on more options. Now in more options, scroll down and go to the gaze detection section, and here you will see a gaze detection button. So if you want to disable voice access gaze detection, then turn off this button, and if you want to enable voice access gaze detection, then tap on this button and then it will be enabled. So that's how you can enable or disable voice access gaze detection in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.